Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Yep, it's Foodie Friday. Now as you can see, kitchen's coming along nicely, isn't it? Yep, only got to do that worktop next and then that's it. We're back to video recipes. Yes, I know some of you say we don't care one way or the other, Steve. I know. But nevertheless, there is a load of you out there who want my recipes. So we're going to give them to you, obviously, once a week. And again, Foodie Friday will always be a Foodie Friday. So we'll be doing a review, and also we will be going out to you. I don't know where, but we are going out to somewhere near you, wherever that be. Oh, and I'm not flying abroad. So if it ain't on the mainland, I won't be there. So let's move on very swiftly, and let's see what we've got for you today. Now this pasty to Wales is like the Cornish pasty to Cornwall. It's the corned beef pasty. So let's have a quick look and see what the frozen pie looks like. Okay, it's a frozen pie. Yeah, get on with it, Steve. I know. Look, we know what a frozen pie looks like. Of course you do. This is a D-shaped pie, and there's a little bit of weight in it. Once again, it's got some type of film stuff over the top. It's not an egg wash, but in the old days it would be egg wash, but these days they don't use egg wash. So what is the corned beef all about to Wales? I haven't got a clue, because we all know that corned beef doesn't come from Wales at all. It actually comes from Argentina, and we know that by the sides of our tins. So if you get a tin of corned beef, you know damn well it is actually from Argentina. They're the biggest exporter all over the world, and we're no different here in the UK. We buy theirs to keep them, we keep Argentina where they are. Won't mention the Falklands. So let's have a look at exactly what is in this pasty. And if I hadn't mentioned, it's a Lewis's pasty. Now Lewis's have got awards for this pasty. I dare to say I haven't seen the awards, but I'm sure that if they haven't, they should have, because they are the biggest producers of corned beef pasties anywhere in the UK. So there we go. Statistics for you. And we'll start off with the nutrients, and that is your ingredients, and that's the cooking instructions. So I dare to say you can buy these directly from their website if you like, or if you've got a bakery business, you can get them to deliver to you. They do come in a box of 25, and it's very simple. The baking instructions for this: 200 Celsius on a fan assisted oven for 35 minutes, and bang. So let's have a look at the baked pie. Well, there you go, there's the baked pie. Cracking, doesn't it? And oh, it smells good. Fat test. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's fatty as what we expect. Now, dare to say this is the same pastry they use on their sausage rolls and everything else. And if I vaguely remember, I'm not a lover of their pastry, but it does look really, really nice. So let's cut them open. Oh yeah, you can tell this is corned beef. There's something about corned beef you can spot straight away, can't you? So let's have a look at the inside. But there's the inside. That does look nice. You can see all that lovely bits of corned beef, your potato and your onion. And that pastry's baked almost spot on. So you know where we're going to next? Yes, get on with it, Steve. Pastry test. You know my normal. Bland, saltless. What's gonna change? You never know, as you've seen from other videos. Well, at least the pastry isn't giving me a load of fat round the inside. That's rather nice. I'm liking this. Well, I ought to. I mean, I have actually got Welsh blood in me somewhere. It's been diluted 1,000 times over, but believe me, it's in there. So let's go for the main feast. I'm looking forward to this. Oh, it smells good. I just love corned beef, don't you guys? Now, if you want to make your own corned beef pasty, the link is up there now. And I will share it to at the end of the video as well, because I can tell you now, my corned beef pasties are better than this. But there again, I'm bound to say that, ain't I? Now, you can buy this from my shop as well. We've been selling these for a very, very long time. And in fact, this is the top seller in our shop. Uh-oh. After the Cornish pasty. Right, let's go for it. That's rather nice. I'm a lover of corned beef, so this is just up my street. I'm just waiting for the kickback of anything in it. Oh, just getting it now. It's got that bit of peppery in it. And you can almost taste a bit of mustard as well. I do think personally I would have liked a little bit more salt in mine. But that's a personal thing. And as one of my subscribers said, Steve, if you want extra salt, put it on. Okay, I get the drift. But that is really, really nice. And it is well filled. These do sell for what? I think they're really around about nearly £2. I think everything these days is nearly £2. And if it ain't, the Cornish pasties are dearer. So I'm thinking that the corned beef are selling for around about £2. I should have found that out before I did the video, but I haven't got a clue. Now summing this corned beef pasty up is going to be very, very easy. And it's not because I sell it in my shop. If I didn't sell it in my shop, people didn't come back and ask for corned beef pasty, then we wouldn't be selling them. Like I said, the next to Cornish pasty, this is my top seller. So there obviously must be something right about it. And I know why. It does taste good. It was good to bake. And that's one thing that's important. It did bake nice. Like I said before, I'm not a lover of their pastry, but I'm getting to the point where all their pastries are the same and I've got to bear with it. And it's not the worst pastry on the planet by a long shot, but it does vary. Sometimes their pastry can be fatty in the mouth, sometimes it's fine. And they're using the same recipe all the time, bear this in mind. Thinking with the flavour and everything else, I say, Wales, you've done something good. This is an 8.5 from me out of 10. Remember what I said earlier, if you want to make your own corned beef pasty, there is a link up there and at the end of the video. And don't forget the description. You'll find numbers of playlists in the description. They're all baking from frozen pies, recipes, you name it's down there. And if you want to check out my non-baking channel, there is a link down there as well. Because on that channel you'll find painting and decorating, cars, flooring, gardening. Yeah, I don't believe you, Steve. I can hear someone saying, yeah, I know. My man over there saying it. I can hear him now saying, gardening, have you seen your gardening lately, Steve? Yeah, I have. Grass is that high. Yeah, but we're not supposed to mow it, are we? Now, if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!